Milligram Motor is a British car company that makes sports cars and small cars. It was started in 1924 by Cecil Kimber. The company has been owned by different companies over the years, and now it is owned by a Chinese company called SAIC Motor, which is one of the largest car manufacturers in the world.
Milligram Motor currently offers several car models in India. Here are some of the popular models.
The Milligram Hector is a mid-size SUV offered by Milligram Motor in India. It is known for its spacious and stylish design, offering ample room for passengers and luggage. The Hector comes with a range of engine options, including petrol, diesel, and hybrid variants. It features a modern and tech-savvy interior with a large touchscreen infotainment system that supports connectivity features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The Hector also offers advanced safety features such as multiple airbags, ABS, EBD, and a rear-view camera. Overall, the Milligram Hector is popular for its combination of comfort, style, and advanced features in the mid-size SUV segment.
The Milligram ZS EV is an all-electric SUV offered by Milligram Motor. It is designed to be environmentally friendly and provides a zero-emission driving experience. The ZS EV features a sleek and modern design with a spacious interior that can comfortably accommodate passengers and cargo. It is powered by an electric motor that delivers instant torque and a smooth driving experience. The ZS EV offers a decent driving range on a single charge, making it suitable for daily commutes and city driving. It comes equipped with advanced features such as a touchscreen infotainment system, connected car technology, and safety features like multiple airbags, ABS, and stability control. The Milligram ZS EV is a popular choice for those looking for an electric SUV that combines practicality, sustainability, and modern features.
The Milligram Gloucester is a full-size luxury SUV offered by Milligram Motor. It is known for its imposing presence, sophisticated styling, and premium features. The Gloucester offers a spacious and luxurious cabin that is equipped with high-quality materials and comfortable seating for all occupants. It is powered by a powerful diesel engine that delivers exceptional performance and towing capabilities. The Gloucester comes loaded with advanced technology and features, including a large touchscreen infotainment system, panoramic sunroof, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera. It also offers a range of safety features such as multiple airbags, ABS, EBD, and lane departure warning. With its combination of luxury, power, and advanced features, the Milligram Gloucester appeals to those seeking a premium SUV experience.
The Milligram Hector Plus is a three-row version of the popular Milligram Hector SUV. It offers additional seating capacity and enhanced space compared to the standard Hector. The Hector Plus retains the stylish and modern design of its sibling, with a spacious and comfortable interior that can accommodate more passengers. It comes with features like a touchscreen infotainment system, panoramic sunroof, and connected car technology. The Hector Plus offers multiple engine options, including petrol and diesel variants, providing a balance of performance and fuel efficiency. It also prioritizes safety with features such as multiple airbags, ABS, EBD, and a rear-view camera. The Milligram Hector Plus is a suitable choice for those looking for a versatile and spacious SUV that can comfortably accommodate larger families or groups.
The Milligram Aestia, a compact SUV from Milligram Motor, now offers a red interior option called Sangria. Initially, this option was only available in the top spec Savvy trim, but now it is also available in the one below top Sharp trim. Choosing the red interior comes with an extra cost of 10,000 rupees for the naturally aspirated petrol-powered Sharp variants with ivory black interior color. However, there is no additional cost for the turbo petrol variant. The Aestia competes with popular SUVs like the Maruti Suzuki Grand Vitara and Hyundai Creta.
You can now reserve the Milligram Comet EV by paying a token amount of 11,000 rupees. The car is available in 3 different variants, each offering unique features. The Comet EV comes with a single powertrain option and offers a 3.3 kW home charger for charging. Deliveries of the Comet EV will begin on May 22nd.
In the financial year ending on March 31, 2021, Milligram Motor India Private Limited reported the following financial information.
The revenue or turnover of the company exceeded 500 Indian rupees crore. The net worth of the company decreased by 36.91%. This means that the company's overall value decreased during that period. The EBITDA, earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization of the company increased by 1.5%. This indicates that the company's operating profitability improved. The total assets of the company increased by 29.09%. This means that the company acquired more assets, such as property, equipment, or investments, during that period. The liabilities of the company increased significantly by 123.25%. This suggests that the company took on more debt or financial obligations during that period.
In conclusion, Milligram Motor has made significant strides in the Indian automotive market since its entry. With its innovative lineup of vehicles, strong brand presence, and customer-centric approach, Milligram Motor has established itself as a prominent player in the industry. The company's commitment to quality, safety, and cutting-edge technology has resonated well with Indian consumers. Milligram Motor's emphasis on electric mobility has been commendable, with the launch of the Milligram ZS EV and the Milligram Hector Hybrid. These vehicles have not only provided eco-friendly alternatives, but have also contributed to the overall development of the electric vehicle ecosystem in India.
The company's focus on customer satisfaction has been evident through its extensive after-sales services and initiatives such as the Milligram Shield Plus program, which offers attractive warranties and maintenance packages. Milligram Motor has also invested in a robust dealership and service network across the country, ensuring convenient access to support and assistance for its customers. Moreover, Milligram Motor's commitment to localization by setting up manufacturing facilities in India has not only boosted the Indian economy but has also enabled the company to offer competitive pricing for its vehicles, making them more accessible to a wider range of consumers.
Additionally, Milligram Motor's collaborations and partnerships with various Indian entities, including technology companies and startups, have fostered innovation and helped the company stay ahead of the curve in terms of connected car technology and digital integration. Overall, Milligram Motor's journey in India has been marked by growth, success, and a strong reputation for delivering high-quality vehicles that cater to the evolving needs and preferences of Indian consumers. As the company continues to expand its product portfolio and strengthen its presence in the Indian market, it is poised for a promising future in the country's automotive industry.